saving my little girl. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Watch over her.
Камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.